Okay, y'all finna try this world famous parrot fish. Come back out to my whip. Y'all see I had to get the money green. Got my ice cold water. We at our little spot. Little dewdrop in. Show y'all what this parrot look like. I'm finna try it. She got chicken. She being safe. Girl, you. Alright, this is the world famous parrotfish. Give it a smell test. She said there's no bones. Get the smell test. Smell like fish. Let's see what they're hitting on. Baby, no tartar sauce, white creamer sauce? No? I should have brought my own. Alright. This fish is soft like oysters. See the texture? Texture look weird. I'm scared to eat it. It's supposed to be some parrotfish. Let's see what it's hitting on. I don't know what the hell this is. No like. Real to the now. You can have that shit there. They didn't even make the french fries taste bad. You can have that shit there. Let me taste your chicken. Alright. I'm not gonna eat all that, trust me. I'm just gonna taste it. Shit, I don't even know if I want to taste that. You might want to take that back.
You know, like?
We're gonna give this shit to Bachua. It was a bust, y'all. I just can't win. Let me take that to go. You like? Tell it to go. To go. So, before the flies get on it. Yeah, look at this shit.
Hola.
To go.
Dígale a la muchacha que se lo ponga para llevar. Que se lo ponga para llevar. Ajá. Porque anda mucha amor. Y él no lo quiere así.
Él no quiere para llevar, que él es el tío que se lo va a llevar.
And now y'all see why I stick to the shrimps.